Hello students, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle 101. My name is Ashley Gasper. You can call me Ashley or you can call me Miss Gasper. It is up to you. Um, for this course, you will be exposed to a variety of skills, concepts, and strategies to improve your overall wellness. Our goal is to create a healthy lifestyle plan for yourself. So we will be going through 6 modules. Each module will be a week long. We will begin our work on Monday and our work will be due Tuesday morning. So that's plenty of time to get your stuff done. Each module has a discussion, it has a quiz, it has an assignment, and it has a little bit of reading. So you should be able to get through these. The rubrics are provided for you. There are plenty of resources for you as well. And if you have any questions throughout the semester, please do not hesitate to ask. You will also be able to talk to each other through the chat, through the announcements, through discussion, through inbox if you guys need help. And I'm not available, you can ask your classmates as well. So the overall goal is I want you to feel comfortable in this course. Okay? So when we begin, you will click on to either modules or you could go to the home page and there is a link for you to get started. So each unit is worth a week. And our first module will begin this Monday. So make sure you are caught up with Canvas, and if you need any help, there are plenty of resources for you to watch videos over Canvas that I will provide, and I will also provide one that you can read over. And again, if you have questions, let me know. My contact information is in the syllabus. If you click on the syllabus page, the syllabus is uploaded, or you can also click on the link, which is a Google Doc. Okay? So if you have questions, let me know. And I can't wait to see you guys' work. So get started. Have a good day.